जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 7th chapter ज्ञान विज्ञान योगमु 18th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, Udaraha means kind-hearted, noble-hearted, generous. What they do? They fulfill your desires. They cater your needs. They fulfill your wishes. Now, I have a wish. I want to give. Whoever approaches me, I want to give whatever they want. That is my desire. That is my wish. But if nobody comes to me, my desire is never fulfilled. Somebody has to come and ask me, Krishna, please give me this, give me that. Then my desire to give away things will be fulfilled. That is why, Arjuna, all these 4 categorized devotees are regarded as Udaras. They are kind-hearted because they come to me. They fulfill my desire to give away things. Whatever it may be that they ask from me. As I said, some devotees asks the wealth what they lost. Some devotees comes to me and asks, Krishna, give me wealth. Some devotees comes to me and asks, Krishna, please help me attain Atma Sakshatkaram. Some devotees comes to me and says, Krishna, I want you. So all of these are considered as kind-hearted because they are fulfilling my desire to give away things. Arjuna, and out of these 4 categorized devotees, one is known as Jnani. I told you that. That Jnani is like my soul. If the soul is not there, the body doesn't exist. So also, if some devotee who asks Krishna, I want you, if those devotees are not there, I won't exist. That means my real identity is lost. So to that extent, they are helping me. They are helping me to sustain my identity. Arjuna, those jnanis, those who seeks me, they cannot live without me, and I too cannot live without them. To that extent, he is attached to me. I am attached to that devotee. This is how Sri Krishna Paramatma giving a very high importance to the Jnani who seeks Krishna, I want you. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, while preparing ourselves to be able to ask Krishna, I want you. Now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Udaraha sarva evaite jnani tu atmaiva me matam आस्थितः सहि युक्तात्मा मामेव Anuttamam Gatim. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.